Hey there, welcome back. Today I will walk you through how to copy a video link from Google Drive. Now, imagine this. You have a video stored in your Google Drive that you need to share with friends, family, or maybe even colleagues for a project or presentation. It can be quite a hassle if you don't know how to generate a shareable link. But don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple steps to make sharing your video as easy as pie. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is open Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your video is stored. This is crucial because logging into the wrong account might lead you to a different set of files. To get to Google Drive, head to your browser and type in drive.google.com into the address bar, then hit enter. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see all your folders and files laid out in front of you. It might look a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of content, but don't worry. Take your time and browse through your files until you find the video you want to share. It could be in a specific folder or just sitting in your main directory. When you've identified the video, click on it. This action will select the video, and by doing so, you'll notice several options become available. These options allow you to manage or share the file. Next, look towards the top menu or simply right-click on the file to find the Share option. Clicking on Share will open a new window, giving you access to various sharing settings and options. Now, here's an important part to pay attention to. In this sharing window, you'll probably see that the video's access is set to restricted by default. This means only specific individuals you specify can view the video. To make it easier for multiple people to access it, you'll want to adjust these accessibility settings. Look for the option labeled Restricted and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several sharing settings. From this drop-down, choose Anyone with the link. By selecting this option, you're allowing anyone who receives the link to view the video. This is a great choice if you want to share the video quickly without needing to grant individual permissions. However, keep in mind that this also means anyone who gets the link can view it, so be cautious when sharing sensitive content. Once you've adjusted the accessibility settings to your liking, the final step is to click on Copy Link. This copies the link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. You can place this link in an email, a social media message, or even a project management app. To paste it, position your cursor where you want the link to go and use the standard paste shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you go. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully copied a shareable link for your video from Google Drive. Now you can easily distribute the video to your intended audience without any hassle. Just remember to keep track of who you send the link to, especially if access needs to be limited. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to copy a video link from Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.